Eternity, the beginning of matter, time, and energy. The birth of elements that resist incredible forces. The unadulterated force of the universe and the earth. Fire provides light and warmth. Warmth gives life. Control of fire is at the beginning of the history of mankind. The outermost borders of human progress are still in those places where we can perfectly control and use the highest temperatures. Controlled high-temperature processes create the world that we know. Production of the most innovative materials of our time, ceramics, precious metals, glass, and semiconductors, relies on extremely high temperatures. Modern high-temperature applications must meet the highest demands and withstand the harshest conditions. We at SCHUPP Ceramics offer economically efficient and high-quality metallic ceramic solutions for high-temperature technology up to 1800 degrees Celsius. They can be used for sintering, firing, heat treatment, and melting. We are a family-owned company that was founded in 1996. The members of our international team are committed to our work with their thoughts, deeds, and hearts. We are engineers and business people, craftspeople, and go-getters. We work internationally and are anchored regionally. High-temperature technology is our passion. Standardized or customized solutions, every project is unique to us. Our top-class key components and systems for electrically or combustion-heated laboratory and industrial furnaces, kilns, plants, and thermal processes are individually constructed for you based on our experience from 4 decades. We rely on controlled quality and competence. Our long-term partners in Japan are among the best in the world. With ITM, we develop and produce state-of-the-art insulation materials made of polycrystalline mullite alumina wool. JX produces high-purity electric heating elements made of molybdenum disilicide that meet the highest demands in the world. Our partner Faro produces process temperature control rings, PTCR, which are used worldwide to ensure and document sintering, firing, and heat treatment processes. They decisively contribute to control and thus quality of thermal processes. Our shared know-how and feel for current market developments form the basis for our innovation power. Our processes are high-performing, smart, and pioneering for our products, with our customers, for our customers. We believe in the principle of adding value by valuing others. We believe that dialogue, trust, and reliability are the key to your and our success. We provide pragmatic, economic, and professional solutions from a single source. We are experienced, agile, uncomplicated. We are by your side when it matters. We deliver accurately and anywhere in the world, in customized and protective packaging. Our logistics system permits timely deliveries and ensures our customers' successful production. We help you integrate success in your production around the world. We are a team. We are inspired by what we do. The future is made where we are. We are SCHUPP Ceramics. SCHUPP, simply high temperature technology.